Hello everyone. So in the previous video we have configured our workspace, and in this video we will start the coding. So what we want to achieve is like we have to start up the service when the system boots up, and expect the clients to get connected to this one and process whatever the thing it has to do. So continuing from the last part where we left off, actually there are some more project configuration we have to do. So here we have like selected that project source, but as you can see here, there are a couple of options which tells us like to like mark what are the source directories and what are the resource directory. So we will go ahead and add those first to like get a better integration with the IDE, so that it will be helpful for us to do the coding. So I will select the SRC folder here because that's where we are going to do the coding, and mark it as a source folder. So it will come here as a what source directory, but previous from the previous configuration this is there, that's not correct. This is marking the root of this directory as source, so we will remove those. And if other things like we are anyway taking the application, our service name from this values.xm values directory, that's what we have mentioned here. So we will go ahead and select that thing and mark it as a resource folder. So as you can see, source folder and resource folder added. So we can apply those things, and yeah, you see the difference, right? Okay. Now we will go ahead and create one Kotlin class file. That would be a demo receiver. Okay, as you can see, package demo service, it coming like that, which extends broadcast receiver. Okay, it's expect what is this error? Okay, more action, implement members. Okay, let's just, yeah. So yeah, here we have to do check the action whether it's a boot complete receiver which we are receiving in this receiver, and we have to start our service from here. If intent dot action is equal to why don't we just copy paste this thing. Intent dot action boot complete, yeah, this is the one. Okay, that's just a null check. And if action is equal to boot complete, yeah, then we have to start our service from here. which brings us to the next part. We have to start the service. Okay, we have to create one service. No bottling class file, demo service, which extends service. Obviously the members implementation on point, and our on create method. Here we will add some logs to check our service is running or not. And that will create what's happened here. Handler house handler, let's expect one looper. We'll add this main looper here. Handler dot post delayed. So we are expecting this log to be printed every 3 seconds maybe. So we'll create one anonymous owner class, runnable, and 3 seconds. Okay, we will implement our runnable methods. Okay, log log t run. Okay, so these were the shortcuts I was telling about. If we type something, the code will be auto completed, so it will work for the Java if conditions and all. I don't know about this Kotlin, maybe I have to figure that out. Okay, some warning showing here, convert to lambda. Okay, so once it is completed, we want to again run this thing, and dot post delete this and 3000. Okay, this means whatever the current class which in the place is this runnable. Okay, let's format this code. Okay, it's done. Now we'll go back to the broadcast receiver. Actually we have to do one more thing here, like in this automotive OS we have driver profiles. Okay, so there are certain types of users in our automotive OS, and also in some mobile phones also I have seen. Maybe consider one of the high-end Samsung tablets, they are providing an option for like different user profiles, so each user can use their own thing on that profile. So similarly we have user profiles in this automotive OS, which basically like creates us to like create different driver profile and act accordingly. Like we can customize each other's settings, so when user changes they can simply log into that profile and they will get whatever the settings they have set up so far. So okay, so that's a topic for another day. So as part of it, there is a system user which will be always running in the system. and there will be a foreground user. So we don't want this service to like started by the system user. We only want the foreground user to start the service. So we will add one condition for that one. So user manager, I think, sorry, I'm going back to the Java syntax. User manager, okay, context, context dot get system service user manager. Okay, I will type like this only, context dot user service. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, and we will cast it as user manager. Okay. Let's uncheck again. So if user manager dot system user, if this is not a system user, then also add an else condition, else log divide also for this one can't start as system user. Okay, context dot start service, we need an intent the parameters context and the class demo service class.java. Okay, that's it. Now what we will do, we will go ahead and add this to our product.mk file, which will be in workspace Android 13 devices. Okay, I think this is the one. Okay, so far you can see I have added two other application. I will remove those and add this one. Okay, done. So I will open a terminal. Where is it? Where is the terminal? Oh, source, build, environment setup, and launch one. We'll make this thing minus J15. The build is completed now. We will start up the emulate now snapshot. We'll see the results. booting up, we will go to our logcat. Okay, here we can type in packages com dot amine dot. Okay, for some reason it has not come yet. Okay, some errors we are seeing. Okay, I'll try again. Com dot amine. Okay, why don't we type the tag itself? Demo service and see. Tag. For some reason this is not coming. Delete those again. Packages com dot amine demo service. For some reason it's not coming. Okay, we'll do one thing. That's the terminal. I'll keep the terminal this side. Okay, ADB devices. Okay, it's there. ADB shell PM hyphen A. What is that command? PS hyphen A. Okay, it will list out all the processes which are running. Okay, easier rate is there. Grep. Seems like my package is not installed. Okay, package is not running actually. Okay, let's see, some error is there. Oh yeah. We made a blunder mistake. We have created the broadcast, but we have not declared these things, broadcast services, everything into our manifest, that we still yet to do. Sorry guys. Okay, so first we will go ahead with the demo, sorry, broadcast, what is it, receiver. Yeah, this is the one. Let's see whether the autocomplete works. Demo receiver. Demo receiver exported. What is it? Yeah, exported. Autocomplete. Okay, go ahead and add the indent filter. Action. Action boot complete, right? Boot. This is not working as we need. Okay, no problem. We'll go ahead and copy from here. boot completed. Okay, I have another thing open. We will check from there only. Yeah, this is the one. See, we just missed. Okay, now our receiver is ready. So we have the permission, we have the intent filter. So whenever this intent filter is called, it will invoke this demo receiver. So we'll execute this logic. And as for our service demo service, okay, the Android exported, there is one thing that is not working. Okay, that's also we will copy paste from there only, because it's failed to understand this some things like you can see, right, some things only it's able to like recognize, some things it's not able to recognize. We might have to figure out what may be the configuration required to add there. So we will check that in a later video maybe. So both of this service and this broadcast need this thing. So we have defined our receiver and demo service. We will close up this, execute the build one more time. Okay, some manifest error. Fixed manifest. What is the issue here? Yeah, this one, extra A. It's very difficult if the IDE is not working as properly as expected, but still this is better than the like Android Studio without all this configuration, because it will I used to work with that one, so it's very tough to configure in that one. Okay, the build is done now. Emulator snapshot, let's see. And start up the locket. Okay, comma main demo service. Hopefully this time this will work. Still not there. iLog is not coming. Okay, demo service is there. What happened? Receive action. Can start as system user. So it's showing the second one. What is the first one? Most probably some error happened. Let's see, demo. Yeah, no, it's running only. Some filter packages com dot main dot demo service. Yeah, see, so this is what I was talking about the users. If you see this one, see, there are if you don't specify this thing, two process of the same service will start running. See, the first system user process that was checking the same logic, and its ID is 1950, and this is our second one, which 2389. Yeah, it is running now. So that is it for today's this video part, and in the next video we will implement an AIDL library and start establishing learn how to establish the communication path. Okay.